For many people, starting out as a sole proprietorship or just as a freelancer in Italy could be a perfect fit. But for equally as many, it could be a disaster. There is no one-size-fits-all approach in taxes and an answer to a business. You could most certainly have to get a set of circumstances that are different from another one, mine or anyone else. For example, consider some issue that could have a major impact on your entity decisions, such as the amount of your earnings and deductions, the kind of clients that you're dealing with, a tax planning to avoid paying too much as a self-employment tax, or the liability exposure from your product, services, location, assets, whatever. Or if you have a partner or investor in the business, or where you live, how long are you planning to stay here in Italy, and where you are conducting your business. The goal, the purpose of finding the best formula is to determine whether you could simply start as a sole proprietor or freelancer, or if you need to form a formal entity like a limited company or LLC, or even a partnership or corporation. You may have seen and heard many advertisements inciting you to set up your entity easily and almost inexpensively online, but you should wonder whether this would create a domino effect of additional tax and legal reporting requirements in the future, any auditing in the future. Without any debate, a freelancing or a sole proprietorship formula is the simplest form of doing business in Italy. All you need is just to start selling your product service, regardless where the clients are, and getting paid, of course. No tricky impossible business registration is required, although one is recommended for marketing purpose. No dedicated business account is required, although one is recommended for bookkeeping and audit protection in the future. So no extra tax return is required, and all of your income and expenses are reported on your modello redditi, the Italian tax form.